Now this last exercise that we're going to cover is probably one of my favorite exercises, for one, because it focuses on strengthening the hip stabilizers. Here we're focusing on the gluteus maximus muscles. Now traditionally, you probably have seen or been recommended the glute bridge exercises where you're laying flat on your back and you're lifting your hips up off the ceiling. Now although that's great for beginners, it's very hard to progress that exercise. And I firmly believe many of the patients that I treat can often tolerate more, if not more load and weight with the exercise. And that's why this exercise is great, because you can easily load this if you're someone that is returning or going back to a gym. Now we call this a hip thrust, but it's very similar to the glute bridge exercise. And what you're gonna do, you can do this along a couch. I'm using a bench here, which is very helpful because it's very sturdy. And I'm gonna place my upper back along the bench there. Now, what I'm doing, if you notice here, in the resting position, my hips are in this hinged position. This is very good for the hips here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push my feet into the ground, and I'm going to use my hamstrings and my glutes to raise my hips up towards the ceiling. I can use my hands for support to allow me to really control my movement as I go up and down. But really you're focusing on 10 to 12 repetitions at a time for about 2 to 3 sets. Now, if you find that doing this exercise body weight is just too easy, the beauty about progression with this exercise is you can simply grab some weight like a dumbbell and place it over the top of your hip. And as you're going up and down, you're holding the dumbbell, and it allows you to progress the exercise and add some load so that this is still challenging for you. It makes no sense if you're doing a ton of repetitions and it becomes too easy. We really want to focus on that progressive overload. And this is why the hip thrust exercise can be a phenomenal exercise when it comes to building strength in the hips.